for coming out on this delightful Friday evening in January. It's almost the end of January, and we are thrilled to welcome back Dayva for her seventh time of being here to tell us all about her journey with the emotion code and the body code and how it all works. And then after she's done explaining to us how it works, then we will talk about our individual cases. This is what I will say is that Dayva and I have never been in the same room at the same time. But she changed my life forever when I met her online. I think it was in August a year ago, a year and a half ago. I had some terrible pain in my hip and my back, and she cured it permanently with 2 sessions. It was back pain that had bothered me for my entire adult life, and it's gone. And I wouldn't say that if it wasn't true. So she is my hero. I expect her to be your hero. And so, and on that note, I'm going to be quiet so that she can talk. Thank you, David, for being here.
Hello. Thank you for having me back, and thank you for everybody showing up. I do see some familiar faces, so thank you. I'm so honored to have you back, and I see some new faces as well. So hello, and thank you for coming. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so I'm Dayva. I'm a certified emotion code and body code practitioner. I help clear energetic blocks and support the body's natural ability to reset and heal itself. Everybody can see my screen, right? Okay,
Yes.
cool. Just making sure. Okay, why are you not going? Okay, so meet Dr. Bradley Nelson. He's the creator and the author of the emotion code and the body code, and an amazing human being. I had the opportunity of getting body code certified in Vegas with Dr. Bradley Nelson, or from Dr. Bradley Nelson, and he is just so funny and such a cool experience. Okay, so what is the difference between the emotion code and the body code? The emotion code focuses on identifying and releasing trapped emotions. It's a simple and powerful method, it's often the foundation of energy healing sessions. The body code includes the emotion code, but it goes beyond simply just releasing trapped emotions. I can correct misalignments, find limiting beliefs. There's so much more, and it opens the door to deeper healing and transformation. So the difference between the conscious mind and the subconscious mind, we only use 10% of your conscious mind. That's the conscious mind is more like what you're thinking about on purpose, what you choose to focus on, the decisions that you choose to set intentionally. And the other 90% is your subconscious mind. So the conscious mind, you can forget things, but with your subconscious mind, you never forget. Every word you've read, every scent you've smelled, every face you've seen in a crowd, every bite you've eaten, every experience you've ever had has been logged by your subconscious mind. Old emotions and patterns live in the subconscious. Even if you don't remember them, they still affect how you feel and respond today. With the emotion code and the body code, we speak to the subconscious mind, and that's how we find and release what's been hidden. Once I'm connected with a client, I'm communicating directly with the subconscious mind. There is no guessing. Here are the 7 keys I use when working with the emotion code and the body code. Number 1, I need your permission. I need written or verbal permission for a session. I will never work on somebody because I think that they need my help. Clients can give permission for their own children, which they must be under 18, and you must be the legal guardian. And you can also give me permission to work on any pet that you have, and you also must be the legal guardian. Key number 2 is proxy. Once permission is given, I connect to the subconscious mind. Since I act as a proxy, I will be asking questions as if I were you, and I will be releasing on my body on your behalf. Sessions can be done from anywhere. Distance doesn't matter. Key number 3 is the severity chart. Uh, the severity chart is a scale from 0 to 10, 10 being the worst, 0 being the least. The severity chart helps us measure where we started and also helps us track progress. My goal is to bring your severity down to as close to 0 as I can. Key number 4 is the Body Code app. I ask the subconscious mind questions and use the app to help navigate through these 6 categories, which once I'm connected to whoever wants to get worked on, I will be sharing my screen as well. So you will see the app live in action. There's 6 main categories: energy, circuits and systems, toxins, pathogens, misalignments, and nutrition or lifestyle. The beauty of this system is that it keeps everything clear and structured while still letting the subconscious lead the way. Key number 5 is muscle testing. Muscle testing is a technique used to communicate with the subconscious mind. I use the ring in ring method. When my fingers are locked, that means yes. When they release, it means no. There's many ways to muscle test. This is just my preferred way. Number 6, magnet. So magnets are pure energy. I use a magnet to swipe over my governing meridian with intention to release the imbalance. The magnet's energy is stronger than the trapped imbalance, and that's how it allows me to release it. Key number 7 is hydration. Water is essential fuel for muscle testing and helps you get correct answers or accurate answers. Clients also need to hydrate to help flush out released imbalances, and it also helps with processing symptoms. So if you receive a session today, please make sure that you drink water. And you could also experience some crying and sadness and a little bit of mood swings for a couple days. Just want to mention that. But it should only last for a couple days, and water will really help. So one of my favorite quotes from Dr. Bradley Nelson is, "Anything can cause anything." The subconscious mind reveals surprising connections that sometimes don't make sense. Trust what arises, stay open-minded and curious. Anything that comes up is part of your healing that your body is ready for. Let's get started. Thank you for listening. Tonight, you'll see how powerful this work can be. For those of you who would like to work with me, you can find me at www.theprettynailedpractitioner.com. And if you use the code OurSafeSpace in all caps, then you will get 20% off of whichever session that you choose. For those of you who would like to volunteer, this is what I need from you. I need you to share one issue that you'd like help with, provide your age, that helps me locate a timeline, rate the severity from your perspective, 0 to 10. I will also ask your subconscious mind for the severity. Sit back, relax, and allow me to connect on your behalf. And I also just want to mention that this is not a full session. My sessions are 25 minutes long. It might seem like a short amount of time, but a lot comes up in that session to be released. And yeah, so thank you all so much. And if we have any questions, feel free to go ahead and ask before we get started.
No. Is this like a permanent thing, Dayva?
So yeah, so whatever issue that you work on, whatever is released, then yeah, that permanently is released. And if it helps correct the issue, then yeah, it can be, but Sometimes in rare cases, or sometimes with some people, they'll need multiple sessions, or like sometimes you'll get relief from a session, and then a few weeks later some symptoms will come back, and that's just your subconscious mind letting you know that more has risen to the surface to be released.
Okay.
So yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, David, for that. It's a lot of great information. Every time we do this, your PowerPoint gets a little bit better with so much information on it. So that's the reason I'm so glad to put them up on the YouTube channel. So I'm going to say goodbye right now.